Ito nga, ayun. That's him. That's your brother. That's your brother from another mother. Scared. Ayun, natitish niya kayo. What to eat. Krr, 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 krr. 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 He remembered. He came back home. Ayan yung chick ni Sire. Iba na itsura. They got bigger. Ayan yung dating one of the chicks ni Sire. Laki na. Takot yung dalawa. Ayan. Takot sila pumasok dito sa loob. Takot sila sino yung sino yun? Laki ah. Takot yung dalawa. Takot sila sumama sa akin dito sa loob. Ayan. Yan yung original chick ni Sire, one of the 4. Ito nag-go back home to prove that ito yon, it just gotten bigger. Rooster na siya from becoming a chicks. Isa lang ang proof niyan eh. Proof niyan is to show na mag-feed siya. If it feeds into my hands, siya yon. Yung tipid ni Sato sa kanya. Aray, ang sakit. Yan, teach mo yung mga brothers mo na rice is food. Naging rooster na. Dinatilyo. Gustong pumasok. Hindi niya inaaway. Okay, very close sila to each other right now. Kala ko tutukain niya eh. Hinihingi pa ng food lang. Asking for more. Pag nakita niya yung nilagay ko doon, kainin niya yan. Dapat gayahin siya ng mga younger chicks. Ayan. Ayan, matuturuan sila. Nasishow nila. Nasishow niya na kinakain yun. Ba't sila gusto nila pumasok?